Grabe yung last video ko tungkol sa kailan ka mag-asawa. Ang daming nakarelate. So, ito na po. Let's talk about pasalubong mentality and the classic line. Libre ka naman, galing ka abroad eh. Real talk tayo ha. Bakit ba kapag galing kang abroad, automatic may pasalubong ka dapat? At bakit parang may kasamang kasunduan na libre lahat kasi galing ka abroad? Galing abroad doesn't always mean galing sa pera. Minsan galing sa luha, sa overtime, sa homesickness, sa double shift. Minsan galing sa utang yung pasalubong na ibinibigay namin. Pero we do it kasi mahal namin kayo. At kapag wala kang naibigay, biglang may side eye, may tampo. Parang ang sukatan ng pagmamahal mo ay nasa dami ng dala mong chocolates at sabon. Can we talk about how exhausting that is? Yung feeling na parang kung wala akong bitbit, hindi ako enough. Pag wala akong dala, parang wala akong halaga. And sometimes, we come home tired, broke, and still expected to provide. Kasi daw, galing abroad ka eh. Can I just say this for every OFW out there? We work abroad not to impress, but to survive. We send money not because we have extra, but because we care. We give not to be praised, but because we love. But even love gets tired when it's only expected and never appreciated. Pero sana, wag automatic. Mas masarap magbigay kapag hindi inaasahan. Mas nakakagaan kapag yung pasalubong ay kusang loob, hindi obligasyon. Libre kung kaya, pero sana hindi laging libre ka na, galing ka naman abroad. OFWs work abroad not for freebies but for family. So all my fellow OFWs out there, your worth is not measured by how many pasalubongs you bring. Your love is not measured how much you can spend. At sa lahat ng maiintindihan ito, share mo to. Tag mo yung tropa na palaging may dalang bagahe pero bihirang makarinig ng salitang salamat. Ingat palagi sa biyahe mga kabayan. At tandaan, kindness is free, pero pasalubong, hindi laging libre.